Welcome back, guys. Today, I want to show you the 3 new hidden cards of the daily combo of June 26th. For those who don't know what it is a daily challenge inside the Hamster Combat game. If you solve it, you will receive 5 million coins. So now, click the daily combo logo. For the first card, you have to go into the PR and Teams category, scroll down, and search for Security Audition. Congratulations, this is the first hidden card. For the second one, you have to go to the specials, depending if you already bought or not. Go to My Cards or New Cards and search for USDT on Ton card and click Buy or Upgrade. The second card is found. The last one is in specials too, but this is a new card for sure. So go on New Cards and buy X Network 10 million. Congratulations, you completed the daily combo for today, and you will receive 5 million coins. If this video was helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel.